Let me show you how to implement the push style of communication. So here in the observer interface, we should change the signature of the update method and introduce a parameter called value. Next, we go to each concrete observer, like the spreadsheet, and make the necessary changes. So here we get the value and we can print it on the terminal. So with this design, this concrete implementation, this concrete observer is not dependent or coupled to our data source class. It knows absolutely nothing about the data source. It receives the data it needs in the update method. Similarly, we go to the chart class, add this parameter, and print it over here. Next, we go to our subject class. When notify observers, we need to pass the new value. So first, we need to change the signature of this method and add a parameter called value, and then pass that over here. Now, this design is not very flexible because we're using a primitive integer here. We can make this more reusable by using the object class, so we can pass any type of objects over here, or we can use generics. But in this course, I don't want to get too specific about Java, so let's keep things simple and focus on the actual style of communication. So I'm going to revert this back to a primitive integer. Now the last step. We go to our data source class. When setting the value, we need to pass the new value to notify the observers. So we tell observers, hey, this is the new value. You don't need to know anything about me. Now let's run our program. All the observers get the new value. This is the push style of communication. Next, we're going to look at the pull style of communication.